Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. In this video, Emily will show you her simple evening routine from winding down after the day to getting ready for bed. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. The answer is in the video, so keep listening until the end. Here is today's question. What does Emily always do right before she turns off the light? The answer is clearly mentioned in the story. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. Many viewers leave their answers in the comments every time, so please don't be shy. Feel free to join and write your answer too. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my video. Thank you for being here again. I am so happy you are here today. I am very glad you are watching. My name is Emily. I am a university student. I study at a small university in the city. I am 22 years old. I am in my third year of university. Today, I want to show you my evening routine. I will share what I do every evening. I will show you how I end my day. Every day, I follow the same evening routine. I do the same things every night. My evening routine is simple. It is not hard, it is not long, it is not complicated, but it helps me feel calm. It helps me feel ready for sleep. Please relax while you watch this video. Please relax while you listen. You do not need to rush. You do not need to hurry. Take your time. Listen at your own pace. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak slowly so you can understand easily. At the end of this video, please tell me about your evening routine. Please leave a comment. I want to know what you do in the evening. I want to know how you get ready for bed. I would love to read your comments. I always read the comments. Okay. Let's start. Let's begin my evening routine. Every evening I start around 9. I finish my homework or my work. Then I begin my evening routine. First, I put away my things. I put my books back on the shelf. I put my pens and notebooks in my bag. I clean my desk. I make my desk look tidy. A tidy desk helps me feel calm. It helps me feel organized. When my desk is clean, my mind feels clean too. Then I turn off my computer. I close the screen. I do not look at screens before bed. Screens can make it hard to sleep, so I turn off my phone too. I put my phone on the table. I do not look at it again until morning. This is very important for me. Now my room is quiet. My room is peaceful. There are no more notifications. There are no more sounds from the computer. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make myself a warm drink. I do not drink coffee in the evening. Coffee keeps me awake. Instead, I drink herbal tea. Sometimes I drink warm milk with a little honey. I boil some water. I pour the hot water into a cup. I put a tea bag in the cup. I wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Then I take the tea bag out. The tea smells nice. It smells like flowers or mint. I hold the warm cup in my hands. It feels good. It feels cozy. I take my cup to the living room. I sit on the sofa. I drink my tea slowly. I do not rush.
I enjoy the warmth. I enjoy the taste. This is my time to relax. While I drink my tea, I do not work. I do not study. I just sit. Sometimes I look out the window. The evening sky is dark. The stars are coming out. Everything is quiet.
This simple moment makes me feel happy. It helps me let go of the day. I think about the good things that happened today. Maybe I learned something new. Maybe I talked to a friend. I try to feel thankful. Being thankful helps me feel peaceful.
After I finish my tea, I wash my cup. I rinse it with water. I put it on the drying rack. Then I go to the bathroom. It is time to get ready for bed. First, I wash my face. I use a gentle soap. I wash away all the dirt from the day. I wash away all the oil. I splash my face with warm water. Then I dry my face with a soft towel. My face feels clean. My face feels fresh. Next, I brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush the front. I brush the sides. I brush the back. I brush gently. Brushing my teeth keeps them healthy. It also makes my mouth feel fresh and clean. After that, I use mouthwash. I swish it in my mouth for 30 seconds. Then I spit it out. My breath smells nice. My mouth feels very clean. Finally, I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and comfortable. I like cotton pajamas. They are not too hot and not too cold. I feel cozy when I wear them. Now I am clean. I am comfortable. I am ready to relax more. Then I go to my bedroom. I turn on my small bedside lamp. I do not turn on the big light. The big light is too bright. The small lamp makes soft, warm light. It feels calm. I sit on my bed. I lean against my pillow. Now I have some quiet time for myself. Just like in the morning, I take a little time for myself in the evening too. First, I read my book. I pick up the book I am reading. I open it to the page I stopped at. I read for about 15 or 20 minutes. I do not read anything difficult. I read a story or a peaceful book. I do not read the news. I do not read anything that makes me worried. Reading helps my mind slow down. It helps me stop thinking about my to-do list. I forget about my homework. I forget about my problems. I just follow the story. The words are like a gentle river. They carry me away. I feel calm. I feel sleepy. Reading before bed is a beautiful habit. It helps me sleep better. After I read, I put my book on the nightstand. Then I write in my journal. I have a small notebook next to my bed. I pick up my pen. I write a few sentences about my day. I do not write a lot, just a little. I write about one good thing that happened. I write about one thing I learned. Sometimes I write about how I feel. Writing in my journal helps me let go of my thoughts. If I felt sad or worried, I write it down. Then I close the journal. I feel lighter. I feel like I put my thoughts on paper so they don't stay in my head. This helps me sleep peacefully. Writing in my journal is like saying goodbye to the day. I also check my plan for tomorrow. I look at my small calendar. I see what I need to do. This helps me feel ready. I don't have to worry about forgetting something. I already wrote it down. Now my mind is clear. My mind is quiet.
Next, I do a little stretching. I do not do hard exercise in the evening. I do gentle stretches on my bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I stretch my back. I roll my shoulders slowly. I move my neck from side to side. I take slow, deep breaths. I breathe in through my nose. I breathe out through my mouth. I do this for 5 minutes. Stretching helps my body relax. It helps my muscles let go of the day's tension. After stretching, my body feels loose. My body feels soft. I feel very calm. Then I turn off the lamp. The room becomes dark. I lie down on my bed. I pull my blanket over my body. The blanket is warm. My pillow is soft. I close my eyes. I take 3 more deep breaths. I think about something nice. Maybe I think about the ocean. Maybe I think about a green forest. I imagine a peaceful place. I feel my body becoming heavy. I feel sleep coming. I do not try to force sleep. I just let it come. Within a few minutes, I fall asleep. I sleep well because I prepared my body and mind. I wake up the next morning feeling rested and happy. Let me repeat my evening routine for you one more time. At around 9 o'clock, I put away my things and turn off screens. I make a warm drink and drink it slowly. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas. I read a book for 15 or 20 minutes. Then I write in my journal and check my plan for tomorrow. I do gentle stretching on my bed. Then I turn off the light and go to sleep. That is my evening routine. It is simple. It is not difficult, but it helps me a lot. It helps me end my day well. It helps me feel calm. It helps me feel thankful. It helps me sleep deeply. A good evening routine can help you sleep better. When you sleep better, you feel better in the morning. So, what about you? What is your evening routine? What do you do every night before you go to sleep? How do you get ready for bed? Please tell me in the comments. Please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you do. I really want to hear from you. I would love to read about your evening. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself. Have a peaceful evening and a good night's sleep. See you next time. Goodbye. How was it? I hope this video helped you enjoy learning English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What does Emily always do right before she turns off the light? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Many viewers leave their answers in the comments every time, so please don't be shy. I would love to see your answer too. On this channel, you can learn English through slow, simple, and easy stories like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And one more thing, I also have a membership for this channel. If you would like to support the channel, please feel free to check it out.
All right, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.